What's up, crypto fam? I'm your host, Novella Nikita, and I want you to join the crypto movement. I started this podcast to help spread the word about cryptocurrency and to share interesting news from the crypto sphere. Just so you know, this is not legal advice, financial advice, investment advice, or even personal advice. I'm just a swing trading girl who loves crypto and wants to share her passion with the world. Since I'm relatively new to crypto, my main goal is to entertain the general public and other new investors such as myself. If you're a seasoned crypto vet, I might bore you a little, but feel free to watch if you want. Today, I just wanted to check in with you guys and send out some positive vibes. There was a ton of crypto hype at the end of 2017. Bitcoin reached an all-time high, and tons of people were jumping into the market because of the hype. You know, right after that, a lot of people, they freaked out because there was a huge plummet in mid-January. And many people have been feeling discouraged ever since. Some of my friends even sold off all of their holdings and considered leaving the crypto market entirely. Some people even dared to ask the question, is crypto over? Well, even though it might look bad on paper or in your portfolio, I personally feel like there's nothing to worry about. There's some simple reasons why the crypto market dropped. One of the main factors was Lunar New Year. This is a trend that happens every year, and it's really nothing to freak out about. There's a sizable market drop in the weeks leading up to Lunar New Year. This is due to the large amount of investors in Asia, especially China. Many Asian investors sell off some of their crypto holdings and use the profits to pay for gifts or to travel to visit their families. There's also been some other, kind of negative news recently about crypto, including speculation that the South Korea market might shut down their exchanges or ban crypto, the $500 million hacking of the Japanese exchange CoinCheck, and the exposure of the sad but hilarious BitConnect scam. All these things have made an impact, however, in the grand scheme of the crypto world. It's really just a drop in the bucket, and it's not something that should scare you out of the market entirely. Honestly, I feel once the dust settles, the market's going to recover just like how it's done every year previously. We're already seeing an upward trend, so just hang in there. Blockchain technology and cryptocurrency aren't going anywhere. Many forward-thinking companies have recognized the benefits of how blockchain and crypto can improve tech and infrastructure. Some of these companies have even been applying it to their businesses, such as Nvidia, Tesla, Microsoft, and IBM. The way I see it, the cat is out of the bag, and there's really no way to put it back in, regardless of what laws or regulations may spring up to try to inhibit it. Crypto isn't over or dead. In fact, it's actually an awesome time right now to invest. Investors with weak hands may have already sold off their holdings. However, you never want to buy high and sell low. That's why sometimes it's best to just hodl, aka hold on to your holdings until the market improves. In fact, I believe that the current state of crypto is an awesome discount sale. As we like to say in the crypto world, BTFD, aka buy the dip. Right now, there's massive opportunities for gains if you're, confident enough to invest. But you need to do your due diligence and thoroughly research any coin you plan on investing in and consult a financial advisor if needed. I hope today's show encouraged you guys and helped to lessen any worries you might have been having. I'll be back again soon with more fun crypto stuff. If you liked today's episode, please show your support by subscribing and liking this video. Thanks for tuning in to Tales from the Crypto, and stay strong, crypto fam.